Well, good morning, fellow DIY friends. This is DIYDave. We are back at it again with another DIY video, one of the simplest DIY jobs you'll ever do. But before we get started, if you like DIY videos, if you like to learn a few things about how you might save a couple of bucks doing a simple job yourself around the house or maybe on your car, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you'll be able to get notified anytime I release a new DIY video. We love to do these. We're not a sponsored channel. We don't get any promotional credit or anything for anything that we do here. We just like to spread information, and I enjoy sharing what I find out with you guys. I want to thank all of the new subscribers that have been joining up on our channel the last few months. We continue to try to put these videos out. Hope you enjoy them, and we thank you for taking the time to watch our channel and watch the videos that we put out. Today, let me ask you a question. How many of you have to deal with allergies, cruddy air, dust, pollen, yuck, and schmutz? Yeah, I see you. Raise your hand. I see you. Yeah, you out there in Texarkana, I see you too. All of you guys that have to deal with that may not realize that one of the best sources or worst sources for dirty air is your car cabin, the actual interior of your car cabin. You get that air, stale air trapped inside your car, and all of that stuff, the dust that comes in from the outside, it never goes anywhere. And that's why most cars manufactured in the last 10 or 15 years have a cabin air filter. Now the implementations vary a little bit, but what we're going to show you today was one of the simplest repairs that you can do yourself. You can pick up a filter for most cars for between $10 and $20. They're a little bit cheaper online than if you go to a local parts store, but we're going to show you how to change it on a 2008 Toyota Sienna minivan. We'll have a separate video showing you how to do the same repair on a 2015 Lexus ES350, which also happens to be a model twin to a Toyota Avalon. They are super simple, and you can apply these same concepts to just about any car that has a cabin air filter. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the cabin air filter on this 2008 Sienna is located behind the glove box. So all you have to do first, you open up the glove box, and on this particular glove box, you just pull in the sides a little bit. I'm doing this with one hand, and then that reveals this little cartridge right here. That cartridge slides out like unto so. Now, I don't know if you can tell it or not, but that filter is nasty. It is full of all kinds of dirt and schmutz and debris and nonsense. So we're just going to pull this puppy out. And you know what I realized? That filter is the original filter that came when this car was brand new. It's 11 years old. It's never been changed. It's way overdue for a replacement. Now in this case, I did not go OEM. There was really no need to go OEM on this. I think the Toyota filter is $30 or $40. If I had gone online, I could have gotten one probably for $10 or $12, but I didn't. This is a Purolator filter I picked up at Advanced Auto Parts here in town for like $18. Most any of the places have them for between $15 and $20 if you don't want to go online. Replacing this is just a matter of sliding it into the little cartridge with that lower tab catch. Catch it right there. That's it, guys. That's the whole repair. Now, slide it back in. Just slide that puppy back in, and you're done. That's it, folks. That's all there is to this. Slide the glove box back in, close it up, and you're done. And you can take this nasty canasta and put it over here in the garbage. Well, folks, that's it. I told you this was a quick and simple DIY video. A cabin air filter is a super simple repair. We're going to do another one on the Lexus here, and you'll get a link to that video. It's very similar. It's a little different because the glove box arrangement in that car is a little bit different, but you'll see that one in that video. Again, if you like DIY videos, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, leave any comments, questions, suggestions down below. We thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch our videos, and hope you have a blessed day. Thanks very much for watching, and you have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.